Hello everyone, I'm Shauna. Welcome to my channel, and if you're new here, please like and subscribe for more Bath & Body Works content. And if you're a returning subscriber, I love you guys. Thank you so much for the support, and I mean that sincerely. So, I have been doing some unpacking. You guys, probably, if you watch my other videos, probably are aware that I recently moved into a bigger house, and so I was able to get this room organized. So I'm in here filming today. So just everything's going well. How are you guys doing? I hope your April is wonderful. This is actually my birthday month, so I love April. I kind of wish my parents had named me April. A little bit. I don't know. And I kind of like Shauna too, but anyway, I digress. So in this video, I would like to share my review of Bath & Body Works new spring fragrance, Sunshine Mimosa. So I have several of the products here. Let me read you the scent description. So Sunshine Mimosa says, toast to the sweet fragrance inspired by the beauty of everyday celebrations. Cheers to Sunshine Mimosa. And the fragrance notes are bright, bubbly champagne and fresh citrus. So I have the body cream, and I love the coloring. Pink is my favorite color, and then I really, really love orange too, and anything shiny and reflective. So the body cream retails for $14.50. Then I have the fine fragrance mist, and this retails for $15.50. Then I have the moisturizing body wash, and this retails for $13.50. And I have the perfume spray, and this retails for $12.50. And I love the orange top on this. I really do. So I've actually had the perfume spray, when did I get this? Like a little over a week ago, because this actually hit the stores before the body cream and fine fragrance mist and all of that. And I really like it. I really like it, which surprises me because orange scents are not my favorite citrus scents. They're just not for body care or home fragrance, because I'm a home fragrance junkie as well. But I fell in love with this. Very strong performer, the perfume. Very strong. And you can actually get shower gel, bubble bath, and a larger bottle of perfume. And I'm not sure if they had this in a candle. Comment and let me know. I don't know if I saw candles at my store or not. So I have been wearing this and using these for a couple of days now. And I mean, I really like this fragrance. So it smells like a mimosa. It smells like orange juice with champagne in it, but my nose also detects floral, and there is no floral in the scent description, but I get floral. So maybe I'm a weirdo, but my nose picks up floral. So it smells like a mimosa with like this dusting of like really pretty flowers. It's a really like pretty, bright fragrance, perfect for spring and summer. If you like citrus, if you like orange, you know. Now, what I will say though is I actually, for the perfume, I actually pick up more champagne with the perfume spray. What is it, Peyton? Sorry, my dog is whining. I don't know what's wrong with them, but I get more champagne with the perfume spray than I do the fine fragrance mist and the lotion. So as it wears, first of all, it's very noticeable, okay? But I will say these were not as loud as the perfume, okay? And then as it wears, it lasts for hours. But the fine fragrance mist, as it wears, it just kind of smells like sweet orange juice. I just smelled like orange juice. honestly, because I went like one day without using the perfume spray, and I just used like, you know, the body wash and the body cream, and then misted myself, and it lasted, but it was very subtle, more subtle than the perfume. So if you like stronger fragrances, you might want to pick up the perfume in this. I actually like the perfume more than I like the fragrance mist. And then for the moisturizing body wash, these are very moisturizing. I will say that because I have dry skin, so I really appreciate that extra moisture. But the moisturizing body wash smells very decadent, you guys. Like almost like it's really creamy, and it's almost like a dessert, like an orange dessert. It really smells. Hi, buddy. It really smells like an orange dessert, which is a nice treat because that's a little different than the other products, but I love that. So yeah, so I'm definitely enjoying this line. I will use this and be happy. But I mean, it smells like orange juice, except for the perfume spray. You get more champagne and more floral. So pretty confusing review, right? You guys comment, let me know, do you pick up floral in this? Because I definitely do. I definitely pick up floral. So, I mean, everybody's nose is different. You know, our noses and our brains, some scent notes are more noticeable than others, and that sort of thing. But I'm enjoying it. So let me know what you think. And, I actually used my 20% off coupon for this. Yay! So I definitely need those. We need those coupons now that the prices are like going up. You know what I mean? So just comment and let me know what you think. And if you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe. And I will be praying that you and your families are safe and well. And have a good weekend. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.